If you want to get a top 100 rank in GATE Mechanical Engineering, you must know that how GATE as an exam is different from other exams and how mechanical engineering is different than other engineerings when it comes to GATE. Many of the aspirants who are in the beginning or at intermediate level in their preparation, they think that like other branches, mechanical engineering also is like a collection of different unrelated subjects. Rather, the reality is mechanical engineering is like a one big subject. The relationship between different subjects of mechanical engineering is strongest as compared to any other branch. What you learn in one subject is used in multiple other subjects at multiple places. The connection between the different subjects I have divided into two categories: basic connection and advanced connection. Basic connections are those which are almost known to each and everyone who is preparing for GATE. The concepts of engineering mechanics EM are used directly in concepts of TOM. If you have not mastered engineering mechanics, it is impossible to solve numericals of TOM with accuracy, especially the good numericals. The concepts of strength of materials are directly applied in machine design. The concept of engineering thermodynamics is directly applied in engineering thermodynamics application. And again, the concept of engineering mechanics are used in strength of materials at multiple times during theory coverage as well as during solving the questions. If I talk about the advanced connection between the subjects, to understand that, either you should have covered theory in a great detail or you should have a good command over numericals. The concept of engineering mechanics and strength of materials combined is directly used in fluid mechanics in almost every calculation, every unit. When you combine the concepts, theoretical as well as numerical, of fluid and engineering thermodynamics, all of those are directly applied in heat transfer. Rather, there are certain units in heat transfer which are entirely same from fluid mechanics. In fact, many of you might be knowing that the concepts of strength of materials and machine design, yes, numerical concepts of strength of materials and machine design are used in industrial engineering as well. And it is well known to each and everyone that whatever you learn in mechanical engineering, entire topics from first to last are used in manufacturing and production. So if you are someone who is considering mechanical engineering subjects as unrelated, you are restricting your rank. You are restricting your learning experience. You are restricting your skills to solve numericals. In fact, I have made a detailed video where I have given you complete overview of mechanical engineering by showing you topic by topic relationship between different subjects. And now that you know that how subjects are related to each other, how does this change your preparation strategy and how having a single faculty is going to benefit you a lot more than having multiple faculties. It's a video which is must watch for every sincere mechanical aspirant. The link of the video is available in the description and the pinned comment. Don't miss the video. It is not on YouTube, and I assure you that every GATE mechanical aspirant who is going to watch that video definitely is going to get benefited from that. I wish you all the best.